In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make protected categories, WooCommerce for beginners. If you want to keep your store content behind a simple password so only approved visitors can see it, this walkthrough is for you. We'll use a straightforward plugin to place a lock on your storefront, which covers your product categories as part of the overall protection. This is a beginner-friendly approach and takes just a few minutes. Start by opening your WooCommerce website and signing into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins, then choose Add New. In the search bar, type Password Protected. You should see a plugin with that exact name. Click Install Now, and when it finishes, click Activate. After activation, head to the Installed Plugins list to confirm it's there. You'll see a settings link alongside the plugin name. Click that to open its configuration page. You can also reach it from the main settings menu if you prefer. On the settings screen, turn on the option that enables the password protection status. This is the switch that actually gates your site behind a password prompt. Next, enter a password in the provided field. Choose something memorable but strong and avoid anything you've used elsewhere. This password is what your visitors will need to view the store, including your product categories, so share it only with people you trust. When you're happy with the password, scroll down and click Save Changes. That's it for the setup. To make sure everything is working, open a private or incognito window and visit your site. You should see a password prompt. Enter the password you just set, and you'll gain access to the store as usual. If you don't see the prompt, clear your browser cache or try another browser to verify the change. A couple of quick tips as you use this method. Keep the password in a secure place and change it periodically if you share it widely. If you're giving access to a small group, consider rotating the password when someone no longer needs it. Also, remember that this simple approach locks down your storefront as a whole. It's a great starting point for beginners who want a fast solution. If later you need more granular control, such as protecting specific categories with different passwords or granting access to certain user roles only, look into a dedicated category protection extension designed for WooCommerce. That's all you need to do. You installed the password protected plugin, enabled the protection, set a password, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly protected WooCommerce store.